make bookmarks. Okay, yes, and we are not making bookmarks with cardboards, we are making bookmarks laser cutting wood or acrylic, and we can make customized bookmark. um, so now let's get started. I'm using Canva, all of our favorites. We know how much we like Canva, and now there is a good news. Canva is free. Yes, you heard me right. It's free for students and teachers. So if you are a student or a teacher, and if you log in, sign up with your school account, it's free for you, right? Isn't it amazing? I love Canva. It's my personal favorite. Anyways, so today, as I said, we are going to use bookmark. We're going to make bookmark. I'm going to use poster, portrait, and I will teach you step by step how to create your own bookmark. What do we need for bookmark? We need like specific size. So I'm aiming at the height will be around 15 centimeters and the width will be around 5 centimeters. So obviously I don't want my project or my poster to be of this size, which is the by default size. I want to resize this first, right? So if you see, there is a resize option and it's free, guys. It's free for me. Woohoo! And there you go. The width is, for me, the width is 5 centimeters. You can have like 5, 6 range, that's quite okay. And 15 centimeters in height. And then resize the design. Be patient. There you go. So now I can make different kinds of bookmarks. One is very simple. See, this is the shape of my bookmark. So imagine your bookmark is going to be a tall rectangular shape like this, and we need to just add our designs, our custom designs that we want on this, right? So just one tip, when you're making something for laser cutting over here, eventually you will be converting it into PNG, and from PNG you will be converting into DXF format, because that's what the software that I'm using understands, the DXF format for laser cutting. So so what you need to do is you need to find out black and white pictures, because if they are sharp, clear black and white pictures, only then it will be clearly detected and cut and or laser or engrave, whatever you want to do. So let me find some black and white pictures. So black, and you can literally choose whatever you want. Black and white elements. I'm choosing black and white elements. Okay, there you go. So let's say I like this bow, and let's say I want this bow on my bookmark. So just drag and drop it wherever you want and resize it to your choice. You can also turn it, twist it, yeah, whatever you want to do. I'm sure Canva, everybody loves Canva, and you can just explore, you know. Since it's about reading, I just want to add a pencil sign here. I want to add some, I love flowers, so let me pick some beautiful cute flowers. So I'm just putting random pictures here. When you are making, you can make your own, you can choose what you really like. Okay, I do like this one though, for some reason. This is so cute, a cute astronaut. Yeah, see, this is a bookmark and this is your bookmark, so be free, be creative, do whatever you want. As far as you choose black and white pictures, it should be okay. Yeah, there. Just one more thing and then we are done. I love this, they are so cute. Yeah, there you go. Let me put them around flower. Okay, so I'm happy with this. And so, and now what I want is, I just want to create a tiny circle here, because this circle will be cut and I can put my tassel here. So, you know, fancy circle. I can take circle shape. And how cool is this? And just make it small. We don't need a very big circle for a tassel. I want it in the center of my, there you go. There you go. So this is going to be my bookmark. Okay, there, right? And now I click on share, download as PNG, and download. Once it is downloaded, here let me name it as bookmark 1. Okay, the next step is very important. You have to convert this PNG to DXF format. Just go on Google and search for PNG to DXF converter, any online converter. Choose your file that you want to convert. There you go. And then just click on convert. You can convert multiple files together. For now, I'm just doing one at a time and keep saving it. You can download your file. There. Okay, I'm just going to call it as BM1DXF format, just for my understanding. There you go. Now there's another trick to make your own customized shape. Now this shape is rectangular basic shape, right? What if I want to make like my own custom shape? I will show you later. I have one sample already made. It's so cool. Okay, so let's find some book or shark silhouette. Let's pick something. Let's say I want this as my bookmark. Okay, let me choose this. So save this or just copy it, take it to your Canva. There. Since I'm already done with this bookmark, I'm going to delete it. Delete all the components and just paste my shark here and flip it like this, straight 90 degrees, make it to whatever size you want. There. Okay. But along with this, I want a text over it in a circle or something, just to make that bubble effect. So put the circle. And just a minute. There. And in this circle, I want to write I love reading. That'll be too big. Let's say I just want to write something simple like dive. Okay, so just choose a text box, dive, increase the font, and drag and drop it in this. I don't know why I wrote dive. Okay, maybe I want to write read. Reading is fun. Let's reduce the size. Yeah, I think this looks fine. So I want my bookmark to look like this. Wait a minute, make sure the text is inside the circle. Let me bring my shark a little bit down. Now remember, it's going to cut this whole shark basically in a shark shape, right? So make sure the other elements that you're adding is attached to the shark and not, otherwise it will cut both of them separately, right? And I'm going to just increase the width of this circle because I have to make sure that it's attached. Oh, wait a minute. Why is this square? Okay, I think it's okay. So now once you're happy with your design, just click on share, same steps. I'm just going to fast forward this, guys. Download PNG. Online converter. Convert more files. Choose. Your dive.png is here. Convert it into DXF format. You can search. Can't find it, just search it and convert. Okay, now once my files are converted, I'm just going to transfer it to a pen drive and I will show you how it looks on my RD Works software, the software which I'm going to use, which is connected to my laser cutter. So guys, once the file is here, I have attached my pen drive to this PC which is connected to my laser cutter, this one. Import the DXF. I have named it as Bookmark BM1 DXF format, if you remember. Okay, and there you go. Right now, obviously it looks quite big, so we have to resize it. So Control A, I'm using Control A to select all and then group them. Now to resize it, you will have to, if you see this section here, this is for resizing, and remember this unit should be only in millimeter, the numbers. So since I want the width as 5 centimeters, I'm writing 50 and I want the height as 15, so I'm going to change it to 150. There, see, this is how it looks like right now. Quite cool, right? There. Now obviously we don't want only this, we want like a rectangular border to it, so I'm going to do that. Before that, I want to delete this circle. I think by mistake I added this circle before. If I delete it now, it might end up deleting my astronaut. Oh, thank God, it looks nice now. So make this rectangle around it. There you go. Yeah, this is my bookmark. And after cutting, we can always sand the corners to make it rounded and it looks so nice and it'll be safe to use. Now just one thing. Here we need to understand, if I keep everything black, then the laser cutter might end up cutting these also. And I don't want them to be cut. I want them to be engraved. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to change the color of this, all these components inside. Let me do one thing. Let me take this rectangle out so that I can easily select the rest first. There. I'm going to make it blue and then let me shift this. I'll show you why I did with blue. Give me 1 second. Okay, I did it blue because according to the settings that I have kept, blue is for engraving. There, you see, and black is for cutting. So for engraving, we go fast so that it just touches the wood and keeps engraving, and cutting we go slow, the speed is slow, so it cuts through. Okay, now once we are ready with this and we are happy with this design, I just want to import the other design also so that I can laser cut both together. So I made two. One was custom design, right? So let me group this so that it doesn't get disturbed. Now file, import, My other design was called as dive. Open. Don't worry, it will be managed. Just make sure that you shift this a little out first. We don't want it to merge with the previous one. And for now, I'm just going to group this because when I'm resizing, I don't want to take any stress of them going here and there. Same, the dimensions I'm going to keep as 50, which is 50 mm, and I'm going to keep my height as 150. I'm going to make it a little longer, so 155. There. Now let me bring it on my mesh. Okay, zoom in a little bit. You see, now I just need to change the colors and I will know what to scan and what to cut. So let me ungroup it. And this diver here, I don't want to cut it. I want to just scan it. So I'm going to make the diver blue. All the parts of the diver very carefully. And I want the text also should be only engraved, not cut. And the inner circle here should also be. So laser cutter has started. See, I have just kept this blue and the external part as black. Blue and black. Blue is for engraving, black is for cutting. This is my laser cutter ready. Now let me bring my MDF. You can use acrylic also. That's it. My MDF is ready here. And I'm just going to click on download the file. Once the file is downloaded, it will go to my laser cutter. There. Let's check the frame. Checking frame is important so that to make sure that the cut is happening on your material that you have added, right? And let's start. There. It's cutting. Right now it's engraving my design. You can see carefully. I'm going to close this. As you can see, there's a lot of smoke here. And let it do all the work. Look how cool it looks. Now it is done with one bookmark. I'll show you. Oh, smoke. Oh, I forgot to switch on my exhaust, guys. Sorry for the background noise. It's just now you can clearly see. Look at that. That's my one bookmark, and it's cutting. Laser cutting my other one. Okay, guys, it's done. So these are my two bookmarks. Let me take them out. Yeah, you could just do a little bit of push. Ooh, look at that. 1 second. There you go. Yeah. And don't worry about this can be sanded. Yeah, but look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, and my second bookmark, the custom shape. Oops, 1 second. Look at this cutie. This is my another bookmark. I love my bookmark. This looks so cute. And this is one another bookmark which I made before. And if you look at this, it shows it is a tower, and look at the neat cut and the intricate design, and I have also added a tassel to it. Yeah, so you can make your own custom bookmarks. This, yeah. Okay, bye bye.